Hello guys, my name is Andre and welcome to my channel. This time I have something for your beauty. Let me introduce you my DIY homemade plain flower face mask, guys. This mask is suicide for everyone. It's no matter if you are male or female. It's gonna work for everybody. So let's talk a little bit about the ingredients, what you need for it. Just two simple things. You need your plain flower mask, plain flour. Then you need 1 spoon of salt. Then you're gonna need 1 egg, and that is very important. You need pre-boil water. Yeah, not cold. Yeah, not too warm. Something middle. Okay. And 1 orange and 2 slices of this. Yeah. Okay. Maybe you're asking why I'm using the salt. Yeah. So salt gonna take all your dirt or bad things from your face skin. Okay. Why I'm using egg? Because egg gonna make your face more shiny and more stretchy. So that's why I'm using egg. And why I'm using plain flour? Because plain flour gonna make you look even younger. That's the main thing, guys. Alright, so let's mix it, the mask. So first you add your 1 spoon of table salt. Yeah. Okay. Then you add your egg. Alright. And pre-boil water. Like that. Okay. And mix it up. When you're gonna mix your mask, you have to make sure that you get a right thickness from your mask. Yeah? So not too soft, not too thick, yeah, medium. So mix it. As you can see, I have to add more flour, right? Because it's too soft, it's no good. Too much water. Okay, give me a second. As you can see, plain flour. Okay. We need to get the right thickness. Alright. Okay, that's much better. Okay, a little bit more. Baby. Yeah, that's about right thickness. See how thick is it? Yeah, that's about right. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now we are ready to apply on face. So very easy. Just I'm using my hands, yeah, so you can just easy. Oh, I forgot. Mirror. I can't use it. Give me a second. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we are ready. Like this. And nicely. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. Very good feeling. Yeah, it's very good. Okay. And here nicely. Yeah. Alright. Just like this. Okay. And here. Yeah. It feels very good. Yeah. Alright. And nose. Yeah. Okay. Alright. It's nearly done. This doesn't take too long. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Yeah? Alright. So, just take the mirror away. Take your pre-boiled water and wash your hands. Okay. Like that. Alright. That's done. Yeah, that's what I mean. Okay. Like this. Right. And then you take them, yeah, and just put them on your eyes like this. Yeah. And you can relax for about, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes. You just relaxing. Okay. But I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, because this is YouTube video, so it's taking too long. Yeah. So let's say 10-15 minutes is gone. Yeah. So now you have to clean your face. All right. So let's put a little bit more water inside. Yeah, and now you can clean your face. Okay. Just like that. Yeah, it feels very, very good. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, nearly done. Very good. Yeah. Okay, a bit more. Yeah. A bit more, a bit more. Yeah. I need to get my. Hold on. No. Okay. Yeah, right. Yeah, nearly done. A little bit more, guys. Okay. Yeah. Just like that. Huh? Alright, so that's done. Yeah. So that is step number 1. So we continue into step number 2. So I need a clean water again. Okay, step number 2. You have to use all the time your pre-boiled water. So put it back in. Now we're gonna use orange. Okay. So got your orange. Half. And squeeze all the juice inside the water. Yeah. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. Take your clean towel of this, yeah, I'm just showing you just what I'm doing now, what is next step. And so you take in your clean towel, then you dip it right in the water, like this, okay. Maybe you're asking why I'm using the orange, yeah, because orange have a vitamin C, yeah. So the vitamin is very good for your skin, so that's why. Yeah, just like this. Okay, and put on your face and leave it about 5 minutes. Yeah, like that. Alright, and now you can relax as well. Yeah, for 5 minutes. Like this. You can give your face a little bit massage. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. And that's it. Yeah. That's it, guys. Job done. As you can see, yeah, I need a dry cloth as well, yeah, but this mask works perfect, so I highly recommend you. I use it for about 2 times a week, yeah, so this is perfect. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.